Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the Samsung T7 Shield, the portable SSD to this phone. Okay, so this is the Samsung T7 Shield portable SSD. So first of all we need to connect this SSD to our iPhone. So for this we can use this cable. You can see the both side. You can see it is a C type. So the first connect this to your phone. Okay, and the other side just connect to your SSD. After connect this one, you can see a blue light, you can see, right? So simply go to the My Files application, go to the browse. So here you can see the SSD name, you can see here. If you tap on this one, you can see all the files inside this SSD, you can see here. And from here you can easily transfer to your phone, and also from the phone you can easily transfer to this SSD. So simply in this way we can connect the Samsung T7 Shield portable SSD to this phone. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.